How to delete contact posters on iPhone. If you have already set a poster on any contact on your iPhone, now you want to remove it, then this video is a short guide to do it. First of all, you have to select your contact card. For that, simply open your phone application. From there, go to the contacts and select the contact card. For now, I'm choosing my own card. So simply hit on that contact. Then you will see this interface. From there on the top right, you will see edit options. Simply tap on that. Again, you have to hit on the edit option available over there. Now, simply scroll up the poster that you want to delete. Then you will see delete icon over there. Tap on that and it says delete contact photo and poster. You have to simply hit on the delete and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily delete contact poster on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.